This is the pirate ship that you can print. The first file to print out is the ps_ship.stl. It will print out the base of the ship. The second file to print is the ps_accessories.stl. It contains the crow's nests, cannons, the yards or the beams, and the rope ladders. The bowsprit is also included, but in this case, I've already printed mine out and superglued it into the ship where it's supposed to be. It attaches to these two holes at the front, and it will stay in. The next step is to insert the cannons into the gun holes on both sides of the ship. Take the crow's nests and slide them down the masts until they rest in the middle. The larger of the two rope yards is attached to the mast that's near the back or the stern of the ship. The smaller rope yard is attached to the mast that's near the front or the aft of the ship. Do this for both sides of the ship. The final step is to take the two small beams and attach them to the top of the masts. There you have it. That's the pirate ship completed. This file is completely free to download and print, though if after printing you like it, please consider donating. The recommended amount is $5, but anything is always appreciated. The links to download will be in the description, and the links to donate will be in the description and on the download websites.